Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the device uses your Google account. This keeps changes scoped to you. Open the Google app, tap More, then Settings and choose Google Assistant. Once there, find Voice Match and disable the toggle for Hey Google so the assistant stops responding to voice. Make sure to confirm on each device listed. Some phones and smart speakers manage voice match separately. Turning this off is the first concrete step to stop automatic activation without deleting data yet. Next, go deeper to fully disable the assistant. In Google Assistant settings, open General and flip the assistant toggle off. This stops the service from running. Then go to your device settings, Apps, Default Apps, and clear Google Assistant as the default Assistant app to prevent accidental launches. Also inspect connected smart devices and revoke any assistant permissions or unlink accounts. These steps stop background triggers and unpair external hardware that could still call the assistant. Finally, remove stored voice activity and perform a final verification. In your Google account, go to Data and Privacy, find Web and App Activity or Voice and Audio, and delete relevant recordings to remove history. If the assistant persists, uninstall updates to the Google app or disable the app entirely. This acts as a fail-safe. Restart your phone and any smart speakers, then test by saying Hey Google to confirm there is no response. If it still triggers, check account sync or multiple signed-in accounts as a troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.